I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have the image and the target app ready. Open Shortcuts and tap plus to make a new shortcut. Add the Open App action and pick the app you want to rebrand. This tells the shortcut to launch the real app rather than a web link. Once done, tap the three dots to access details so you can turn off Show when run later. Make sure the action is first and correctly selected before moving to adding it to home screen. Now you customize the home screen tile. Choose Add to Home Screen and set the visible name you want. Tap the small icon preview and choose Photo or choose File, then crop or center the image so it looks right. You can also pick a square PNG for best results. After adjusting the preview and confirming the name, tap Add. The shortcut icon appears on your home screen where you can position it like any other app. Finish by tapping the new icon to confirm it launches the intended app. If everything works, you can move or archive the original app icon to the app library. If tapping the icon opens shortcuts instead of the app, edit the shortcut details and disable Show when run so it launches seamlessly. Make sure you use the Open App action rather than Open URL. Once fixed, reorganize your home screen and enjoy the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.